Hello and welcome to Eye on Africa. We focus on South Sudan, where civil society groups are calling for urgent and inclusive political dialogue to help the country move toward peace and stability. My name is Changkuoth Nyak and welcome to Eye on Africa. In today's top story, the South Sudan Civil Society Forum has urged the African Union, IGAD, the government of South Sudan and Kenya, religious leaders and international partners to turn word into action. They stress that this requires political will, technical support and financial resources to create a strong and effective dialogue framework. Without this step, dialogue remains just a promise on paper. The forum called for a supportive environment for dialogue. This includes lifting restrictions on political leaders, ensuring their release from detention, and protecting basic freedoms such as speech, assembly, and association. They insist that the dialogue must include all voices: youth, women, academic, religious leaders, and civil society groups. South Sudan has suffered because too many voices were ignored. True inclusivity in dialogue is not optional, it is essential for lasting peace. The forum noted that the recent press release by the African Union Peace and Security Council offered no clear commitment to make dialogue a structured ongoing process. They highlighted the Tumani initiative launched in Nairobi in May 2024 with support from Kenya, IGAD and the community of Sante Egidio as a crucial platform for engaging all-out group from the peace agreement. By updating its agenda and including more voices, the Tumani Peace Initiative could address rising insecurity, political division, and shrinking civic space in South Sudan. The forum also pledged to work closely with national, regional, and international stakeholders to make inclusive dialogue a reality. They stressed that only through collective and genuine effort can South Sudan overcome its challenges. The unity government, regional partner, and international community must ensure that dialogue is meaningful. Inclusive conversation is the key to building peace, democracy, and a stable future for South Sudan. Well, this has been your South Sudan update from Eye on Africa. For more news from across the continent, subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Let us know your thoughts on inclusive dialogue in South Sudan in the comment below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.